Welcome to Success Hustler. Never give up is a phrase we've all heard countless times, yet its true power often goes unnoticed. Persistence is the cornerstone of any significant achievement. Life throws challenges our way, pushing us to our limits and testing our resolve. However, it's during these moments of struggle that our true strength emerges. Consider the stories of renowned figures like Thomas Edison, who faced thousands of failures before inventing the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, whose Harry Potter manuscript was rejected by multiple publishers before becoming a global phenomenon. These individuals had one thing in common: they never gave up. Their perseverance turned their failures into stepping stones for success. When we set our sights on a goal, the path is rarely straightforward. Obstacles are inevitable, and setbacks are part of the journey. But every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and refine our approach. Quitting is the only guaranteed way to fail. On the other hand, every effort we make, no matter how small, brings us closer to our dreams. It's essential to cultivate a mindset that embraces challenges and sees failures as temporary. Surround yourself with positive influences, set realistic goals, and celebrate small victories. Remember that progress is progress, no matter the pace. In the end, persistence isn't just about achieving a goal. It's about the journey and the growth that occurs along the way. So, when times get tough, remind yourself why you started, stay focused on your vision, and most importantly, never give up. Your perseverance will pay off, and you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and closer to your dreams. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment your dreams and goals below.